In this video, I'm going to show making of cashew vanilla cookies. Firstly, I take 1 cup of flour and sieve it, and I take around 6 tablespoons of castor sugar, that is finely powdered sugar, in a separate bowl. To this sugar, add a 2/3 cup of softened butter and beat the two till light and fluffy. To this, I add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence and once again mix it well. Now I add this mix to the flour and again mix it well. And I've added 2 tablespoons of chopped cashew nuts. Actually, this can be added later also on the top if you like it. And again knead this to make a soft dough. Now I make even sized balls out of this soft dough. In the meantime, I'll preheat the oven at 180 degrees centigrade. Now I flatten these balls and place them on the baking dish, leaving gaps in between. And finally, with a fork, I make markings on these cookies before placing them for baking. Now the preheat is over. You can see the temperature blinking. So I can place these cookies for baking. First I place this high rack, and then on top of this I place the baking dish with the cookies to be baked. Now I'll set the time. It has to be baked for 40 to 45 minutes because it's at a low temperature. Then I press start. Oh, initially I forgot to sprinkle some sugar on the top of the cookies, even before I indented with the fork. So I'm taking out after 10 minutes. I just remembered. This is actually optional. You can even put the cashew on top, the broken cashew nuts, and also sugar on top of the cookies. So I forgot in the beginning, so I'm just putting this. This is optional. If you want, you can put it, or you can avoid this. And again I continue. So finally you can see the cookies are brown. 5 more minutes are left. So I'm going to stop it. I said 40 to 45 minutes. So now you can see it's very brown, so I switch off. But the fan is still running, so I'll just leave it till it cools. Now the yummy cookies are ready.